How do we educate a baby or toddler? Is it even possible to teach such young children? Have you ever felt uncertain, wondering if you are doing enough to support your baby or toddler's development? You want to learn more. But working with young children can feel overwhelming and time-consuming. I'm Ursula, a certified Montessori educator specializing in the first 3 years of life, early childhood, and lower elementary. You are not alone. Many parents and educators share those concerns. The good news is we've created a program that allows you to learn at your own pace from the comfort of your home. With the Infant and Toddler Montessori Diploma, you will gain mastery of Montessori philosophy and principles, a comprehensive understanding of child development, access to hundreds of activities that support the holistic development of infants and toddlers, practical guidance for transition to preschool years, enriching modules in art, music, health, safety, classroom leadership, and parent education, downloadable curriculum manuals with presentation videos, mentorship from certified Montessori guides, flexible online learning with 12-month access to your learning portal available 24/7, lifetime mentorship through our support group and weekly consultation sessions, career advancement opportunities in early childhood education, and much more. In order to help babies and toddlers unleash their incredible potential since birth, we need unconditional love combined with a good knowledge of the child. Time is precious, especially during these formative years. Babies and toddlers don't wait to grow and develop, and neither should you. The time to act is now. Enroll today and make a difference. Together, we can shape a brighter future for every child.